it's me, Grady, from Grindelbug 14, and today I'm going to be doing a squishy collection, so let's begin. But before we get on, give it a big thumbs up, and turn on the bell, so you can notify us when I get a new video, when I post a new video. So this is the first one. This is a squishy I made. Not that squishy because I didn't know how to make it at first. And then I have this one that I didn't know how to do either. Well, I didn't know how to do it, and it's really squishier than this one. I think it's because this has too much. It's not so much. Now it's little. And then I have this one. That was the first one I did. It gave me an idea to make squishies. So it's green from the bottom, and it's a smiley face here with blue on the outside. So I did that. Then I have this one. It's not that squishy, but it is squishy. And then this one is like more biggish. This is the biggest. Okay, and then I have this one. And it's just cute. There, cute there. It's really squishy. So those were all my squishies. So give it a big thumbs up if you like my squishies. So, bye.